Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices, turn on Wi-Fi or create a hotspot and keep battery above 20%. Install a cross-platform transfer app on Android and iPhone. You can use Snapdrop for direct local transfer or Google Drive for cloud. Grant storage, location, and local network permissions on the iPhone now, because without them, the app can't see devices. Once done, open the app on both phones and position them on the same network so the transfer target appears. This is the essential first action. Select the files you want to send. Group photos, videos, or multiple documents to reduce repeated steps. If using a local tool like Snapdrop or a Wi-Fi transfer app, tap the Android device name and accept the incoming files on the Android. If using Cloud Google Drive, upload in batches and then open the Drive app on Android to download. Make sure the sending app stays in the foreground and both phones stay unlocked until transfer completes, because backgrounding can pause or cancel transfers. After transfer, verify integrity by opening a few files on Android and checking sizes and formats. iPhone hike photos may need conversion. If a transfer fails or times out, reattempt via Cloud Upload, Google Drive or Send Anywhere, or split the batch into smaller groups. If problems persist, restart both apps, toggle Wi-Fi or hotspot, and confirm permissions again. As a last resort, use a USB-C to Lightning cable with a computer as intermediary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.